Can I please? How am I ever gonna video? Stop. Okay, let's sit down. Let's just chill.
You dropped one.
Okay, well, the dogs will have that.
Don't break my gutter.
You didn't like apples last time. I didn't do caramel this time. Okay. Okay.
What?
Oh my gosh.
You're dropping
this
them
is a lot.
everywhere.
This is a lot. Where are they dropping at?
Everywhere.
Okay, I'm trying. I didn't move. You did. Goodness. Okay, the plate hasn't gone anywhere.
He's gonna jump over the top.
We're gonna. Snack time is about to end. You can't eat the whole plate.
You can try.
Don't serve things on plates.
This is a
Heaven
fail.
forbid I have a relaxing night with an apple. These are not for you.
Step on me.
But I can't eat one now because you've eaten them all. They got cow slobber all. Okay, just chill.
He's knocking stuff over everywhere.
He's about to knock me over. Okay, 2 left. Did you like apples tonight? He seemed to like them a lot better than last time. He wasn't distracted by the caramel. Is that all of them?
There's, I don't know. There's stuff on the ground behind you.
Did he eat them all?
Somebody ate them all.